Bitaw karon guys kay mag kuantas akong kuko. And kasi pag ginawa mo to sa salon, napakamahal magbayad kaya ako na lang gumagawa. So ito yung napili ko guys. Ayan. So tingnan natin kung anong resulta mamaya. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So magsimula na ako. Let's go! So first ay putulan ko muna yung nails ko. Putulan muna natin to guys para para pag nilagay ko na tong fake nails hindi makikita sa ilalim. Kaya let's go! Putulan na! At ayan na guys, natapos ko na ang nails ko. Ayan, tapos na. At ito pala yung ginamit kong glue. Saglit. Ito ang ginamit kong glue. Maganda siya. Maganda siyang gamitin. Binili ko to sa Target. Mas maganda tong gamitin. Ito yung glue. Mas matibay siya guys. Tapos, ito yung manicure ko sa paa. Tapos, I think that's all. Tapos, meron akong ganito. Tapos, i-on ko lang ng ganyan. Tapos, ilagay mo lang yung nails mo doon. Ayan. May lang ako. May mga kunting gamit. At ayan na guys. Kasi aatin tayo ng birthday bukas. Para naman maganda tingnan. So, ayan na. Tapos ng nails natin. Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa salon para magpa-nails. I will do it myself na lang para mas makasave ako. Diba? Ayan. Practical na tayo, guys. Practical na tayo, guys. Kailangan kapag ikaw yung gumagawa, may mga glue kung kahit saan-saan. Pero matanggal din naman yan. Yan. That's my nails. Hi, guys. So, andito ako. Nag-ready na. Naghintay na lang ako ni Steven na makauwi kasi punta kami sa sa Publix kasi bukas ay birthday ng anak niya, ng youngest daughter niya. So she is my stepdaughter. So she's turning 24 tomorrow. So bibili ako ng cake, siguro chocolate cake ang bibilhin ko. Pero tanong ko muna sa hubby ko kung ano ba talagang hilig niya, chocolate cake ba or whatever, yun ang bibilhin natin kasi birthday niya. So, dito lang muna ako. Naghihintay ako. Kakausap ko lang niya sa phone. Sabi niya, baka uuwi na siya kasi mag-travel kami sa Florence para bumili ng cake. Mga 30 minutes drive. So, medyo malayo-layo kami dito guys sa sa mga shopping stores. So, dito may mga malapit lang naman na mga tindahan katulad ng Foodland, may mga malalapit lang. Pero iba 'yun sa Publix. Gusto ko sa Publix, nandoon ang Walmart, ang Sam's, 'yun. So, hintayin ko lang si Mr. guys at see you guys later. Ang outfit natin guys na pupuntang Publix. Yung outfit natin. Tapos naka-cargo pants. Tsaka ito. Kasi napakainit ng panahon guys. At tsaka itong sunglass natin napaka-cool. So, ito yung outfit natin. We're on our way to Publix. It looks like gonna rain today guys. So, magdali lang mi para di mi maabdan sa uwan. Anyway, di masag mi mabasa ka na akong sasakyanan. Pero, gagawin na kayo ang panahon. So, probably manihapon na lang sad mi sa kawas. Kay gigutom na siya. Yep. Everything's lovely today.
Nothing beats fried chicken.
Yeah, nothing beats fried chicken. What do you like? Mexican or chicken? You decide.
You said
Okay, fried chicken.
You said you wanted fried chicken.
Yeah. Fried chicken.
Nothing beat fried chicken, you said.
Yeah, nothing beats fried chicken. And where is that? Bojangles.
Hurry up, get in.
We're in Bojangles.
It's fixing to come raining.
Oh, good parking in front. Okay, guys, this is what we ordered: chicken, fries, and a drink. Same like Mommy got. It's not much people. It's raining outside. It's not much people this time. So let's go. Let's eat.
Oh, these fries go.
Huh? It's not fresh.
They didn't even open all of that.
We have biscuit too, biscuit. Huh?
I really don't need any. Let's see if I got something here. Buy one, get one.
Let's look at the video. I'm the vlogger in Florence.
You're in Florence. Yeah, I know you're in Florence.
You want cookies? Let's go. What else do you want?
What else we need?
Just cake?
Ice cream bar.
In Publix.
Thanks, she's
We are looking for ice cream bar. Huh? I like chocolate.
I ain't but one chocolate left.
No more? Oh, there's one.
One.
Lucky.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go and pay.
Anything else?
No.
Huh? Want some take out?
Sure.
Here. They just put it on the top. Squeeze it.
I need to protect my face, guys, because melasma is waving. And my kilikili is showing.
Very dark.
Why are you so bully?
Very dark. Gili gili.
Don't say it in the vlog, you're crazy.
Not mess your vlog up. But those up front, we're going to eat them.
Yep. We're gonna eat ice cream for dessert. Oh, here. We sit down here for a while, eat ice cream.
No, gravity.
Years ago,
There you go, guys.
start online now to
Let's
find out
try
if your
this.
zip code is a hotspot for exposure and if your condition qualifies you for a cash settlement. But hurry, time is running out. In your case, may miss the deadline. That's SICK to 323232.
It's okay.
SICK to 323232.
Takes me getting emergency. That's the sound.
So, nakauwi na kami guys. At mga 10 minutes ago, nakauwi na kami. Si Habi ando na. Nag-watch ng TV. So, ako, magdidilig lang ako ng mga halaman. Pakita ko sa inyo mga bulaklak ko. Yan. Azania. Ang pangalan ng bulaklak na to. Tapos ito para siyang rosal. Rosal na bulaklak. Yan. Napakaganda nila guys. At tapos ito sa Pilipinas parang hito. Hito to na bulaklak. Ayan. So, umulan ng konti. Hindi naman masyadong malakas. Very quick lang na ulan. So, after the rain, syempre, napakainit ng panahon. Kasi summer, you know. So, ayan. Baka uulan ulit. Tingnan nyo ang kalangitan. Alam nyo yung bulaklak na yan guys is a creek myrtle. Ang bulaklak na yan is creek myrtle. Napakaganda niya guys. I love it so much. So, lang muna guys. And baka ito na muna ang video natin for today. And bukas ulit.